Hi, it's the afternoon now, and I'm back to finish at least this part of the jobs I've set myself to do. What's also back is my allergies. Usually in the afternoon and evening is when they come on. So, yay. All right, I gotta remove or some of this netting so I can get in here. But while we're here, let's take a moment to admire the pathetic bunch of blueberries that are coming on. Ooh, that looks good. Is it ready? Oh my gosh, I think it is. Let's check the other bush. Oh, that one that needs another day. It's still firm. But I'm going to taste that one. See how it is. It's a good size too. Usually don't get them to this size. Oh my God, that was perfection. Oh, here's another one. Is that ready? That is ready. I'm going to share that. Oh, great, the chickens. Anyway, back to what we're here for, which is picking these potato bags. Well, like our last bed, I'm not really expecting to be wowed over here. I don't know why I'm waiting, but here we are. There's a couple onions. Well, there was an onion. That's also broken. So that flower is also not going to come to anything. All right, let's just dig. See if we find anything. So these I definitely have to pick because, oh, we have better luck in here. So we might actually have potatoes for dinner. Do you see? These were not stolen, which is what I'm betting happened to the last bed, is that whatever potatoes had grown there had been stolen or eaten. But these have not been taken. So had these been allowed to grow to fullness, would have had a really nice batch of potatoes here. All right. Here's a cute little potato baby in there. I'm gonna put that back in. So far, growing them in grow bags, I think, is a good idea. All right, there's another one. Another batch in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I had a basket. Let me get that. It's still really hot. It was in the 90s for sure today. Hundreds even, according to the vehicle, but those are always run on the hot side. Notice that one and leave the little teeny tiny pebble. Oh, this plant did really well. Another pebble. Wow, so far I'm impressed. Growing in grow bags has been good. Okay, I think I got everything. Put that little puny one back in. Let's see. I think I only did two, but let me check on this side. Yeah, I think I only did two. Nothing over here. All right. So that's one grow bag. And that's how many? We could have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like a dozen, more than a dozen good sized potatoes had this been allowed to go all the way to maturity. Let's see how many we can yield in the other bag. So that was 4 attached to the stem. This looks like it might be part of another potato. It's a lot lighter in color. Yep, this is lighter, like that one. Nothing attached to that. So that's 5 so far. There's 6. I'm overdoing it with the digging. They don't go that deep. Yeah, okay. So, not ideal. They could have been bigger for sure. But that's not bad for a meal out of 2 grow bags for today. Let's go check out what the totes have to offer. They're not all dead. Like this one is still the one with the darker stem. It's doing very well still. All right, let's start with this bin. Okay. So I planted leeks in here, but they are struggling because of all the shade. But now the potatoes are going to be gone. Maybe they'll make it. Oh, I see a piece of glass here. Let's take that out. Ooh. I'll have to look at old footage to see if this was a full-size potato or one I sliced apart, which I believe the growbacks were sliced potatoes. But it's in the same condition, growing-wise. They're the same size as the ones in the grow bag. And that's a pebble I'll save. This is the mushy part of the potato. There's a lot more potatoes here. So I kind of feel like this might have been one of the fuller potatoes. Okay, that's good enough. Oh. I'll bury that one. I may have left a number of little volunteers in there. So this plant yielded several nice chunky ones. And this is chunky for respectively for being early. So I got 5 nice size here. And then 3, oh, I don't know. These are good, like little roasting potatoes you get at the store. And then another 5 super puny size. So that's more than a dozen for that one plant. Let's see. There's still life to this. I'm gonna wait until whatever creature is destroying these plants to take this out completely before I harvest it and give those tubers a chance to grow up a bit more. I think they can if they're left alone long enough. All right. I'm questioning that other bed. Let's see. Let's go over there. So like I said, these stalks are still intact. So I want to leave those alone. So this is where they say animals prefer, the more common potato plants. They don't like red cabbage, what else? Red broccoli, things that are out of the ordinary in color, that they stay away from those higher anthocyanins. So that could be something to be said for planting more of those varieties. Now, as for the green potato in this bed, this stalk is still intact. This, not entirely, but there's still life in it. There's this dead one. I don't even know. I thought I only planted like 2 stalks in here and I've got a whole mess. Let me try this one, if possible, without disturbing the majority of the bed here. Let's see what we're looking at. And it's kind of close to the other one too. But let's see. And I've got these potatoes. This bed is a lot drier than the other ones. It's weird. Well, these are nice size. So I don't want to disturb this too much because of the other live potatoes still in here. There's one more I'm feeling. Try to get that one. Yep. See, those are nice, decent sized potatoes. All right, I'm gonna bury the little puny one in again. I'm curious what these potatoes look like. Let me see. Whew, it's dusty over here. Ah, yeah, these are the purple potatoes. Okay, yes. So I have purple potatoes. I scratched the skin on that. I hope it's okay. But the future of the purple potatoes looks good. There's another dead stalk here. Let's see what we got. That one's pretty much on the surface. Let's see. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is a proper sized potato, people. That's a store-bought potato size right there. Beautiful. Yellow, no, golden. One of the butterballs, maybe. I can't remember what I planted. So I don't know what accounted for that one being so large. Was it because it was the only one? I'm not feeling any other bulbs on here. So that's interesting. No, I keep digging. Can't believe how dusty this one is though. They all get watered typically the same. Well, here's one close to the surface, so we'll pull that up. All right, since there's still some life on this stem, I'm gonna leave it alone and let whatever potato is still under there to keep growing. So we have at least another butterball, and whew, oh my gosh, it's sweaty. And there's no breeze, that's the issue. Okay, so the butterball and the purple potatoes are still good. And maybe this leek, although without the water in this bed, it's questionable, so I need to water that bed better. But that is not bad. Not bad at all for end of June potatoes, planted in April, I think. Yeah, and they were potatoes that I had potatoing in the basement. So the future looks good for future potatoes. That other bed with the voles, I think I'm going to lose all those potatoes. Maybe I'll get a few seed potatoes for next year, but there's still hope for these. So cross your fingers. They leave the purple potato alone and leave me some more butterballs to keep growing. But otherwise, this is our potato harvest. If we were doing, this is so disgusting. If we were doing European approach to potatoes, these would be my first earlies. And I should save a few in case and plant them again, or leave them in the ground, really, like bigger ones versus the puny ones I left there to grow on till the fall, right? Those would be the late or main crop. So I got more than plenty for 2 dinners here. So very exciting. So that's where I'm going to leave you today. Just the potatoes. All right. So I'll harvest more. Talk to you all again soon. Bye.